Where did they escape? The sheep escaped. Oh, you're there, guys. But before we start this video, please like and subscribe. It's free. Enjoy. What are you doing, bro?
I'm putting some seeds here.
How many pins?
So many seeds.
Do you like this kind of tree?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna plant more.
Mm.
You know, we are going to plant.
How many?
Okay, here.
Okay, here.
What? Oh, where? Hey.
There. Now this is your home. Why are so many animals?
I don't know. This is here. Can you?
You need only a dirt block.
Yeah, no. Get out.
Who was this?
Hey.
What?
Now can I plant it?
I'm making.
Who? Who's barking?
No one's barking now.
How's this kind of tree?
Nice.
With vines? Oh yeah, our house has a lot of vines.
Yeah.
And it also looks weird.
Why?
It looks like trees are growing out soon. Oh yeah. How's it going? Oh, hello, Phoebe. The hotel looks so cute. And you like a bunk bed, okay?
Okay.
Bed. We stay at the corner.
There we go. We made this. Entry we had exit also. This is our another sleep. Okay?
Okay. Now I'll press it right now.
Okay. 9 years.
That noise.
Yeah, that's nice. The cows will make it. And guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Yeah, please like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And guys, if you like this, what we just made, please like and subscribe. And we will make a video of it.
Yeah. And comment us in the section below if you want us to make Super Mario 64. Come on, let's see. Hey, can I put a backyard?
Put it down really.
I'm putting a backyard. Okay? Backyard. Nice? The backyard?
Your ideas are pretty good.
Yeah, and your tree is blocking also. Let me break this tree. Done.
Sorry.
Not fully able.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I'm putting a backyard. We didn't even see.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Put the backyard here.
What do I need? What I think?
There you go, backyard.
Backyard, you made the backyard?
Yeah.
Not dirt.
And I have to make an emergency exit. Not wood fence. That's why I was thinking, why I can't open it. Open to be nice.
And instead of ladder, we'll use vines.
Why is I put ladders, man? Down here.
Sorry, I put vines.
It's okay. Come on, let's get this. I like.
Emergency exit.
Yeah. Because everything is happen. Or when we are fighting. Then this emergency will come in use. Okay? There we go, that's a very long emergency exit. Now I'll fill them with water. All set. Done. Emergency. You can't beat us, okay? Yeah, but house is getting nice. The emergency exit is good. Okay, all things accept.
I have bad news. Look. We have to make it a little bigger.
What?
The house.
No.
Okay.
You can't do it, man.
Oh wait. I just put my bed a little bit down.
Why
This better?
Okay.
Done. Now you can go. No,
I'll place the bed. Let me. Can you sleep properly?
And
Wait, go. Please.
oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I did my bed. There you go.
Now we need to.
I can't enter. So I can know. There you go. Door.
How's this one?
Wait. I can even and close your door. Okay. Backyard is also done. In the backyard we can get so many fresh chairs.
Mine actually looks weird.
Why?
I'll see how it is. Yeah. Now we can have a cozy room. Did you just do a flip?
What? I'll just load it. So what's the matter? Flips. Only is the matter, right? Did I do anything? Oh, I did backflip. Oh, I forgot to cover this. Rain will come inside the kitchen.
And I'm going to put a window.
Window. Yeah, we need windows.
That from there we can see our inside of our house.
Yeah.
See? Okay.
There are 2 windows installed for me.
I installed like this.
How?
Oh, okay.
Come in.
Ooh. Okay. Maybe just one is enough.
I have 2, man.
Well, maybe I'll just put one here. Not what there.
Now they're feeling hungry. I have to feed them.
Guys, I can place 4 windows.
Oh, I have to know rushing. Come on. Here, who wants carrot? Feed. Wow. Oh, there's only sheep. No, I need this.
Ooh, looks here.
I'm feeding all I think so. Oh no. Sorry. Hungry or full? Oh, this is hungry. Sorry.
Now we have a backyard. Backyard. Oh,
That's enough feeding.
yeah, now we have a backyard. This is the most luxurious thing. Hey,
Now we need crafting tables, just
but let me make your small luxurious.
why?
By putting more glass.
What?
Yeah, done. Better?
There you go.
Do you like this kind of house?
Yeah.
I'm in bed. Okay.
So, bye guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye!